Okay, here we are in the Element Selector review, and we start over here. We're going to use CSS, so I know that I need to put my style tag in underneath the header and add some style. And I'm going to separate them so I have some place to work. And the Element Selector means I'm going to select like H1 or H2. So I'm going to type in H2 or H1 because that's what I'm going to change first. But let me go back to the instructions and find what I'm supposed to do. Oh, it says change all the colors of the paragraph element to red. So actually, let's start with the paragraph element. So paragraph element is P. Okay, so, and it says change them to red. It doesn't say background or just to change the color. So let's just change the color. Now, maybe you forgot how to do the element selector. So there's a dictionary down here. It's documentation. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go down to the CSS selector, and here's the element selector. So I'll click on it. And here's one right here for H1. So if I copy from H1 to the curly bracket, I can take it into my web page and paste it in there. So I really don't need that P. Now, oops, no, I needed the P because we were doing the H1 P. So, but it made it white. So that's not good because I can't even see it. So I think it said we were supposed to make it red. So I'll put RGB and select, RGB, not RBG. Okay, and let's find a red. There we go. So those are the paragraphs, and now let's go back and it says color all of the H1 elements to blue. So I could just take this and copy it, paste it here, but I'm going to change this to H1. And now it's red though, we need it to be blue. And then the last thing says change the color of all H2 elements to green. So then I'll just copy this and change it to H2. Now you'll see that it's red. You can put in the RGB, or you can see it's blue. You can put in the RGB, or you can also just type green, and that will work because it's a color it knows. So when you're done with that, click spin off, and you can put initials in the spin off or something like that. Take the URL that's up here and paste it into Google Classroom. Good luck.